how to find transaction history from Bank of America. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Whether you are trying to track your spending or confirm a payment or download records for personal or tax purposes, Bank of America makes it easy through both its website and mobile. So, in order to find your transaction history on your desktop, go to the website and then visit bankofamerica.com and log in with your username and your password. Next, select an account. So, from your dashboard, tap on the specific checking, savings, or credit account you want to view. Now, view the recent transactions. A list of your recent transactions will appear. Scroll to view more entries. Simply use filters by date range, transaction type, or keyword to find what you need quickly. So this is how you can find transaction history from Bank of America. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.